Hello everyone, I am Christian Paul Bito-on, and I will be reporting about the applications of carbon nanotubes. In this video, I will be talking about the introduction, existing application, carbon nanotube composites, and field emission displays. So let's start with the introduction. Carbon nanotubes are one of the most important materials under investigation for nanotechnology applications. Their unique properties, ranging from ultra-high strength to unusual electronic behavior and high thermal conductivity to an ability to store nanoparticles inside the tubes themselves, have suggested potential applications in many different fields of scientific and engineering endeavors. So here are the key areas of existing and potential carbon nanotube applications: electronics, sensors, structural materials, fillers, and storage materials. So what is a multi-walled carbon nanotubes? Multi-walled carbon nanotubes, or MWCNTs, are a special form of carbon nanotubes in which multiple single-walled carbon nanotubes are nested inside one another. So let's talk about the carbon nanotube composites. Carbon nanotube composites emphasis has been put on polymer composites with a number of commercial CNT reinforced resins already available on the market. Achieving proper dispersion and suitable CNT matrix bonding are the two major ongoing challenges in this area of research. Functionalization of the tubes and the use of surfactants in combinations with sonication are some of the methods developed to control dispersions. Advances have been made in development of CNT metal and CNT ceramic composites. However, CNT aluminum composites do not seem to experience the carbide formation seen in carbon fiber composites. So let's talk about the field emission display. Field emission display, as a result of the small radius of the nanofiber tip and the length of the nanofiber, a potential applied between a CNT-coated surface and an anode produces high local fields that cause electrons to tunnel from the anti-tip into the vacuum. Electric fields direct the field-emitted electrons toward the anode, where a phosphor produces light for the flat panel display applications. Anti-tip electron emission arises from discrete energy states rather than continuous electronic bands emitted from ordinary bulk materials. Their commercialization is currently hindered by technical complexity of the device requiring concurrent advances in electronic addressing circuitry. The development of the low voltage phosphorus method for maintaining the required vacuum, spaces withstanding the high electric fields, and the elimination of faulty pixels. So the advantages of NT over liquid crystal displays are low power consumption, high brightness, wide viewing angle, fast response rate, and wide operating temperature range. To further understand the application of carbon nanotubes, I will be showing to you a video.
Hello, I am Murli Ganesh. Will be speaking about the applications of carbon nanotubes. Carbon nanotubes properties and applications. There are numerous carbon nanotube properties and applications which take full advantage of carbon nanotubes' unique properties of aspect ratio, mechanical strength, electrical and thermal conductivities. Aspect ratio is the length to the width ratio, which is very high for carbon nanotubes of the order 132 million:1, which is the highest for any known material. Some major applications of carbon nanotubes include biomedical applications, energy storage, and catalyst supports. Biomedical applications. The explorations of CNTs in biomedical applications is just underway but has significant potential. Since a large part of human body consists of carbon, it is compatible material. Cells have shown to grow on CNTs, so they appear to have no toxic effect. The cells also do not adhere to CNTs, potentially giving rise to applications such as coating for prosthetics as well as anti-fouling coatings for ships. The ability to functionalize or chemically modify the side walls of CNTs also leads to biomedical applications such as vascular stents and neuron growth and regeneration. It has also been shown that a single strand of DNA can be bonded to a nanotube which can then be successfully inserted into a cell. CNTs as an energy storage. CNTs have intrinsic characteristics reside in material used as electrodes in batteries and capacitors, two technologies of rapidly increasing importance. CNTs have a tremendously high surface area of the order 1000 meters square per gram, having good electrical conductivity, and very importantly, their linear geometry makes the surface highly accessible to an electrolyte. CNT catalyst supports. CNTs intrinsically have enormously high surface energy and area. In fact, for SWNTs, each atom is not just on one surface, each atom is on two surfaces, the inside and the outside of nanotube. Combined with the ability to attach essentially any chemical species to the side walls, which is called functionalization, provides an opportunity for unique catalyst supports. The electrical conductivity may also be exploited in search for new catalysts and catalytic behavior. So CNTs are very favorable and have many major applications. These are some of the references.
So that's all, everyone. Thank you for listening.